Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into the bunq app safely without errors. First, open the bunq app on your phone. On the main screen, tap Get Started or Login. Then, enter the email address you used when creating your account. Then, type your password carefully. Double check for spelling mistakes or accidental space. If you've enabled biometric security, you can log in using your Face ID or fingerprint instead of your password. Go ahead and open your settings app, then Face ID or passcode, and make sure that you have enabled your Face ID and password in the settings app as well. In some cases, bunq may send a verification code to your email or your phone for extra security. Enter the code when prompted. If you forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password and reset instructions to your email. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard where you can manage payments, cards, and savings. That's how you log into the bunq app securely. Subscribe for more quick fixes.